These days, many people are looking for ways to earn extra money from home. The internet has opened up lots of new opportunities to make money without leaving your house. I want to tell you about some simple ways that anyone can earn money online. One of the easiest ways to start earning online is by filling out surveys. Many companies want to know what people think about their products. They pay people to answer questions about things they buy and use. While you won't get rich doing surveys, it's a good way to earn some pocket money in your spare time. Another popular way to make money online is by teaching English. If you speak English well, you can teach people from other countries through your computer. You don't need to be a qualified teacher for some websites. You just need to be friendly and good at explaining things in simple ways. Many people earn money by selling things they don't need anymore on websites like eBay. You can look around your house for items you no longer use. Take good photos of these items, write clear descriptions, and put them up for sale. It's like having a shop, but you don't need to pay for a building. Writing is another way to earn money online. Many websites need people to write articles about different topics. If you enjoy writing and can explain things clearly, this could be perfect for you. You can write about things you know well or learn about new subjects as you write. Some people make money by helping others with small tasks online. This is called freelancing. You might help someone design a birthday card, edit a photo, or type up some notes. These small jobs can add up to good money over time. If you like taking photos, you can sell them online. Many websites buy photos from people to use on their websites or in adverts. You don't need an expensive camera to start. Even good phone photos can sell well if they show interesting things. Testing websites is another interesting way to earn money. Companies want to know if their websites are easy to use. They pay people to try their websites and tell them what works well and what doesn't. This is perfect if you enjoy using the internet and are good at explaining your thoughts. Some people earn money by starting a blog. A blog is like an online diary where you write about things that interest you. Once you have many people reading your blog, companies might pay you to mention their products. You can also earn money from adverts on your blog. Making videos for YouTube is becoming more and more popular. If you enjoy talking about your hobbies or teaching people how to do things, you could start a YouTube channel. When many people watch your videos, you can earn money from adverts. There are websites that pay people to watch videos or play games. While this doesn't pay very much, it can be a fun way to earn a bit of extra money when you have free time. You might watch adverts or try new games and give your opinion about them. Some people earn money by being virtual assistants. This means helping people with things like answering emails, making appointments, or managing social media accounts. It's like being a secretary, but you work from your computer at home. If you're good with numbers, you could help small businesses with their bookkeeping online. Many small shop owners need help keeping track of their money. but can't afford to hire someone full-time. You could help several businesses from your home computer. Creating and selling online courses is another way to earn money. If you know a lot about something, like cooking, gardening, or using computers, you can make videos teaching others. People will pay to learn from your experience. Some websites pay people to translate documents from one language to another. If you speak more than one language well, this could be a good opportunity. You might translate website content, letters, or even books. Many people make money by buying things cheaply and selling them for more online. This is called online trading. You need to be good at finding bargains and knowing what people want to buy. It's like running a small shop from your home. Social media management is becoming a popular way to earn money. Many small businesses need help with their Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. If you're good at using social media, you could help these businesses reach more customers. Some people earn money by giving advice online. If you know a lot about something, like fixing computers, growing plants, or cooking, you can charge people for your help. You might answer their questions through email or video calls. Data entry is a simple way to start earning online. Many companies need people to type information into their computers. While it's not very exciting work, it can be a reliable way to earn money from home. Proofreading is another way to make money online. If you're good at spotting spelling mistakes and grammar errors, you could check other people's writing. Many students and businesses need help making their writing better. Some websites pay people to review products. Companies want to know what real people think about their products before they sell them in shops. You might get to try new things and get paid for sharing your honest opinion. Voice acting is an interesting way to earn money online. If you have a clear speaking voice, you could record audio for videos, adverts, or books. You can do this from home if you have a good microphone and a quiet room. Many people earn money by designing things like logos, business cards, or website layouts. If you're creative and good with computers, this could be perfect for you. You can work with people from all over the world from your home. Customer service is moving online more and more. Some companies hire people to answer customer questions through email or chat. You can do this work from home, often choosing your own working hours. The most important thing to remember about earning money online is to be careful. There are some people who try to trick others online. Always research any company or website before you start working with them. Make sure they are honest and will pay you fairly. It's also good to remember that earning money online takes time and patience. You might not earn much at first, but if you keep learning and trying, you can build up to earning more. Many people start with one way of earning and then try others as they learn more. Most of these ways to earn money online don't need special training or expensive equipment. You can start with just a computer and internet connection. The most important things you need are time, effort, and a willingness to learn new skills. Remember that different ways of earning online will suit different people. What works well for one person might not work for another. It's good to try different things to find what you enjoy and what works best for you. The best thing about earning money online is that you can often work when you want to. You can fit the work around your other commitments, like family or studies. This makes it perfect for people who need flexible working hours. Another good thing about online work is that you can do it from anywhere. As long as you have your computer and internet connection, you could work from home, from a cafe, or even while traveling. Many people start earning money online while keeping their regular job. This lets them try new things without taking big risks. Once they start earning enough online, some people choose to make it their main job. Technology is always changing, and new ways to earn money online appear all the time. It's good to keep learning about new opportunities. What seems impossible today might be common in a few years' time. The internet has made it possible for anyone to start their own small business from home. This means you can turn your interests and skills into ways to earn money. It's an exciting time with lots of opportunities for people who want to work hard.